In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft PowerPoint so you can add your most used commands and work faster and more efficiently. The Quick Access Toolbar is a powerful feature that lets you keep important tools just one click away, no matter which tab you're on. If you use PowerPoint regularly, customizing this toolbar can save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open a new blank presentation or an existing file. It doesn't matter for this process. Once PowerPoint is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Quick Access Toolbar. It usually contains basic commands like save, undo, and redo. On the right side of that toolbar, click on the small drop-down arrow. This opens the Customize Quick Access Toolbar menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Customize Toolbar. This will open the PowerPoint Options window, where you can fully control what appears in your Quick Access Toolbar. In the PowerPoint Options window, look at the list of categories on the left-hand side. Click on Quick Access Toolbar. This section allows you to add, remove, and rearrange commands that appear in the toolbar. Now focus on the middle section of the window. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Choose Commands From. Click on this drop-down menu. By default, it may show popular commands. To access the full list of available commands, select All Commands from the list. After selecting All Commands, you'll see a long alphabetical list of every command available in Microsoft PowerPoint. Scroll down through the command list to find the feature you want to add. Take your time, as the list is extensive. If you scroll too far, you can always scroll back up to locate the required command. For this example, let's say we want to add the Expand command. Once you find the desired command, click on it to highlight it. After selecting the command, look to the right side of the window. You'll see an Add button with double arrows that looks like Add, greater than, greater than. Click the Add button to move the selected command into the list on the right. The list on the right represents the commands that will appear in your Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to change the order of the commands, you can use the up and down arrows on the far right side to rearrange them. This allows you to prioritize the tools you use most frequently. Once you're satisfied with your selection and arrangement, click OK at the bottom of the PowerPoint Options window to save your changes. Now look back at the top left corner of your PowerPoint window. You'll see that the selected command has been added to the Quick Access Toolbar. From now on, you can access that feature instantly, no matter which ribbon tab you're currently using. Customizing the Quick Access Toolbar is a simple but powerful way to speed up your workflow in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can repeat these steps anytime to add more commands or remove ones you no longer need. And that's it. You now know how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.